What's going on, everyone? How are you doing today? I hope you're doing fantastic. And in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at my favorite Gundam from Gundam Wing, the Master Grade Gundam Heavyarms. Let's get into it. Oh, right, the mail's here. Come on, Maggie, let's go get the mail.
Yo, Mikey, you want some pizza? Radical, dude. Hey, Kakarot.
What's up, Vegeta?
Today's the day I will finally defeat you. Everyone, back to your places. He's coming.
Oh, right, I can't wait to open this. DudeRetro Toy Reviews. Alright, and first up, let's go ahead and take a look at the packaging here. And on the front of the box, you see some beautiful artwork of Heavyarms. Just unloading all of his missiles and bullets and his Gatling gun just all going off all at one time. It looks sick. And on the side of the box, you see some photos of Heavyarms with the accessories that he comes with. On the other side, you see some other Gundam Wing Master Grades. And then it shows that you can paint this kit up with the Endless Waltz colors. Now that we've taken a look at the packaging, let's go ahead and open up this box. And let's see what's on the inside. Alright, let's go. Alright, and here's what's in the box. Here is Runner A. You have Runner B. Here is Runner C1. Runner D. And then you have Runner E. Runner F. Runner G. H1. H2. XA. XB. And you get 2 of these. Here is your runner of polycaps. And then you get 1 small clear runner for the eyes. And you also get this cool wire, and it is made of rubber, and on the inside it has some copper bendy wire. And then for the stickers, you have these foil stickers here for the eyes and the sensors on the head. You get 1 set of dry transfer stickers, and then you get this other set of sticker decals. And here is the manual for Heavyarms. Now finally, here is Heavyarms, fully built and snapped together. Now this is him without any decals or stickers. This is just snapped together right out of the box. And as you can see on the right hand shot, I did do some customization. I painted the eyes, the sensors, I put some decals on, and I even did some paint aligning, and I put a flat top coat on him. And so this is a side-by-side comparison of Heavyarms just snapped together out of the box, and then with a little bit of customization done to them. And yes, I did paint the eyes and the sensor. I did not use the full stickers that came with the kit. I did paint these. Alright, and so here is Heavyarms, and here's all of the accessories that he comes with. Let's go ahead and move these accessories off to the side, and let's get into the articulation. Alright, and so with the articulation and Heavyarms here, you have the head, it goes up, down, you have some side to side motion. So right here at the arm can go all the way around. You have a nice butterfly joint, and there is a bicep swivel, but as you see right here, it does hit this shoulder piece, so he can't spin his bicep but so much. And right here you have a double elbow joint, you have a swivel at the wrist, and you have a bend at the wrist. And for the waist here, you don't get much of any ab crunch, but you do get a swivel. Then right here, these little flaps, they do go up. So do the ones on the sides, which clears way for some nice kick motion. Leg goes back that much. The butt flaps do go back, so the leg goes back that much. Double knee joint, really nice. I love how these parts move in the knee to allow it to articulate like that. Then you have a swivel, and right here at the foot, the toe goes down, foot goes up, back, and you have a nice rocker right there. And then while we're in the articulation, I'll go ahead and show you these as well. The shoulders, they do go up to show the missiles. Chest opens up to show the Gatling gun on the inside. And then the waist part right here, you lift it up and then out, which allows for these missiles to be exposed. And then on the back of the shoulder, use this right here. It swivels, which has even more missiles. Then right here on this skirt goes back to allow more missiles. And of course, right down here, you got even more missiles. So yes, Heavyarms is completely loaded with weapons. All over the place, which makes sense for the name Heavyarms. Alright, so now let's go ahead and get into these accessories. And he does come with a knife, and it does articulate, so it goes up and down. And what you want to do is put it right in here, so that way it attaches right onto his wrist. And it swivels out so he can have his knife out ready for combat. Alright, and so for his hands, you have 2 weapon holding hands.
Hey, what's up, dudes? I hope you're enjoying this video, and if you are, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Alright, now let's get back to this video. Cowabunga, dude!
You have 2 other weapon holding hands, and these ones have line right there and the hand to help hold on to and grip some of the weapons that he comes with. You have 2 open hands, and then you also get, I did take this one off, but you have 2 fists. And then you have this little accessory right here. This is the beam saber handle, and if he doesn't come with a blade, but if you have a blade from any other Gunpla, it plugs right on there, and so he has a beam saber. And the reason why you get this accessory without the beam saber is because you also get this right here. And this is the attachment that you attach onto his arm. And it's supposed to be that moment in the show where he drops a Gatling gun and the enemy thinks that he doesn't have any weapons on him, and so he's open for attack. But he has this little piece in his arm, and so his arm drops off, and next to know, he has a beam saber hidden. I don't show this on him because you have to pretty much disassemble the arm that's on Heavyarms to put this in. So it's kind of annoying. I'm going to throw a picture up so you can see what it looks like. I just didn't feel like taking Heavyarms all the way apart just to show how you can attach this piece on for that one little pose, but you can do that if you do want to. It comes with a stand for an action base that plugs right up on the underside of him. And of course, he does come with the Gatling gun. Now this is really cool. I love the way this looks. Looks so awesome. You do have a handle that comes out and it closes. Now with this, you can take this right here, and on the back right here, and you see these little slots right here. And what you want to do, you want to plug it right on those first 2, and it snaps right into place. And now he has his Gatling gun stored right on his back, which is really cool. All right, and so now if you want him to hold the Gatling gun, what you actually want to do is you want to take this hand right here, and if you look right here, you see on the inside of that handle, it's actually a thinner grip. This piece right here goes right around that. I want to see if I can try and get it on camera. Push it on in, it holds onto it, no problem. And what you do, you take this hand right here and snap it on, the thumb in place, and then you want to take your Heavyarms and just plug it right on in. And he holds onto this with a really good grip. Like, no problem at all does he have holding this thing. I'm actually really impressed with how well he holds this. And it doesn't fall or anything. Like, he holds on to it really, really well. Another accessory that he comes with is this cool little tank right here, and it has this bendy wire. And what this does is it plugs, you move the knife out of the way, is you take this right here, plug it right here on the back, plug it right in. You take this end right here and you plug it right on in there. And all these pieces, they all work and move along with that wire. So it's not like you're going to break them or anything. And that is just sick looking. I love the way that looks. And of course, he does come with a shield. And the shield can go onto his arm right here, but if you have the Gatling gun, you could plug it in on the side of the Gatling gun like so. Plug it right on in there, and now he has the shield attached to the gun. And of course he has this handle right here that opens up, and when you put the other hand on, it allows him to hold on to the gun. And then you also get a little Troa Barton figure. And also, Cockpit does open up. You look on the inside right there. I'm not sure if you can see it, but there is a Troa Barton pilot in there. Alright, and so now that we've taken a look at the accessories and their articulation, let's go ahead and get into the size comparison. Alright, let's go. Alright, and here we are at the size comparison. And as we pull the measuring tape up, it looks like Heavyarms is standing right at 6.5 inches tall. And for the first size comparison, I wanted to bring in the Gundam Universe Heavyarms. And the Master Grade Heavyarms towers over the Gundam Universe Heavyarms, but you can really see the difference between Gundam Universe and this Master Grade. And next, I wanted to bring in a 6-inch scale figure. So here's the G.I. Joe Classified Storm Shadow. And last, I want to bring in a 7-inch scale figure, so here's the NECA Power Arm Terminator. And that's going to do it for my review of the Master Grade Heavyarms. This kit is absolutely amazing. I loved it. The build was really, really fun. And the kit feels really solid. Once it's done and completed, it feels solid. The joints feel really good and tight, and there's a lot of articulation with this. I love it. The kit doesn't feel like it's going to fall apart whenever you're trying to articulate or move anything. It just feels so good. I love it. I highly recommend getting this. If you're a Gundam Wing fan or you just love building Gunpla, definitely check this kit out. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. I'm DudeRetro, and I'll see you next time.